everybody, welcome to Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. So, we're just going to be playing the campaign, starting with the introduction. So, what do we have? Alright. So do we have to beat these guys? Defeat blue team. Alright, I think if we can just get like 2 of these guys and a front line of clubbers. Oh, snipe. They snipe. Okay, so we beat blue team. Alright, how do I rotate? I can't. It's my leading theory. Alright, so now it's just a bunch of spear throwers. So I think we need some protectors. And then some spear throwers. But mostly one club. Or we could just go with another spear thrower. Alright. Okay. 1 death is not terrible. Alright. Come on. We must defeat them. Amazeballs. Poor guy. Anyway. Math. You can't expect me to not use a giant mammoth when I'm given the chance. I feel like any person would just go straight for the mammoth. Green? That is not a healthy color. What's going on? Why are you this color? Steadily turning turquoise. What is this? Whatever. Alright. What? Oh, okay, now I have these guys. What is this? What are you? Knights? Against farmers? With a harvester? Oh, potion sellers. These are those guys. I'm gonna be the potion seller. I'm gonna be this guy. Yeah. Taste the potion. This is witchcraft. Do these guys do any damage, or do they just make them like nauseous? Huh. Like, do the potions, is it just disorientation? Ah! I shot my own teammate. Oh, he's alive! That's my team.
From the screen to the...
What do we need now? The king. Oh, is that guy? In the middle? What are you? And we have a lot of money. 2 scarecrows, a wheelbarrow, and a bunch of these guys. I'll be the wheelbarrow again. Charge! That's unfair. Okay, whatever. Why am I using this? Why am I up against knights with this medieval, like, stuff? Was I on... Where was I? Introduction? What? Do I get, like... What else is there? Sandbox, multiplayer. Workshop. What's workshop? I don't know. Oh, custom content. Make new battle, make new campaign, make new unit. Wait, I can make a character? Yippee! 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 Perfect. Alright. Costs. Oh, this is like that. Manual. 27,000. I'm not gonna be doing that. You know, it's like a B. They're not like too powerful. This one is. Like this one. B. Go. Burr. Alright, we have this. Factions. Alright, we have to make a faction. For this, we will use that looks like a rocket launcher. We're just gonna be using the gun, because this one, and it's gonna just have, the name is empty. Oh. Guns. Okay, so it's just gonna be called Guns. So let's just go back to that campaign, you know. They were being kind of mean to, like, you know, like the king, he was kind of overpowered. Oh, how do I get that? Settings. Is there anything in here? Gameplay? All units unlocked. Validate custom content. What? What's this? Oh. I don't think I'm supposed to have this. What's this? Executioner? Necromancer? Tree giant? What are those? This is my friend's account, so I'm not sure what these are. Alright, guns. You know, let's just have a couple of the big beat. No. You know what? Let's just teach them a little lesson and just have one, which I will be controlling. Alright, just one guy here. Fly! Perfect. Let's study the damage here. So we have the rounds flying at blisteringly high speeds. The units very unprepared, got single-handedly defeated by the big beam. Alright, so this game is fun. So, oh, what's this? Basic formation. Let's have the bee teach them a lesson, alright? I'm surprised you took that many bullets. Is there a reload? Oh, I forgot I could do that. Can I shoot now? Okay. Oh. What happened? Where are you? Executing prisoners of war with a machine gun. Let's just bullets through this campaign with the big B. I'm not trying to play it how it's meant to. The arrow volleys. I'm gonna go through this way this time. Let's see the damage. All right. So this thing is flying through the air, right? All right. I feel like this is enough fun for the day with the big B. You see the mountains of bullets just pouring out of the machine gun. Alright, this has been fun, right? You can get the stinger. Alright, so this has been fun, but yeah, I'm probably gonna maybe make a new custom unit by the time this video is published, and then I'll do like another one, maybe a different one, or maybe another B. Alright, but yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I also have a Twitch page, so if you want to go and follow me there, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.